Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 21. Start the vlog now?
Yeah.
Alright, what time is it? It is 3:07. I just finished getting ready. We're going to the States. We have to go to Trader Joe's. We're grabbing some stuff for our Christmas dinner, for our Christmas breakfast. We have to go pick up some stuff from our mailbox. These are top priorities for today. I also have to send a package to my mom and my sister. This year, it was really hard for me, but I made the decision not to do gifts. This is my first time in my whole life that I didn't get physical gifts for my family. I did get like some small things. I got my sister this friend's calendar. I think it's like a daily rip-off calendar. I'm giving them cards with gift cards so that I can give them something, but I just didn't want to stress myself out about having to send them packages. The last time I had to do this, it was such a nightmare.
Such a nightmare.
Yeah, we almost didn't get our gifts to my hometown in time for Christmas, and just the whole packaging packages that are wrapped, it was just so difficult. So when they come here, I will give them gifts. If they don't come here, I'll give them gift cards. The last time we did this, we spent a few $100s getting packages to them.
Like,
so
it was
stressful.
Crazy. I think I'll spend a whole day just
at the airport. We had to send packages through the airline. We're getting ready to leave. We're off. Change of plans. The item that I'm waiting for that's supposed to be delivered to my US mailbox today is delayed, and I'm thinking it's probably got something to do with the snow. It's probably snowing in Bellingham too, right? I'm assuming?
Yeah. The other day, the place where we pick up our mail usually was even closed. I think yesterday.
Oh,
yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because of snow.
Wow, okay. So yeah, so we're not going to the States. We're not going to grab our groceries for Christmas dinner from there anyways. We might grab them from, actually we'll probably go to Save On, a local grocery store after, to grab stuff for dinner, because I already know what I want to make. Ugh, this is like, I think I would enjoy living somewhere where it snows more, because they do better jobs of like maintaining the roads and stuff, because they budget that in. Vancouver has like no budget for snow removal. I did manage to get my mom and my sister's cards out. They should be there by Friday, which would be amazing. I feel like I'm on the Indiana Jones ride at Disneyland.
This one is free.
No, I don't. I'm not a fan. 2,000,000% not a fan. Please don't. What was I saying? I don't even know. I lost my train of thought now. Oh yeah, I got my card out for my sister and my mom. Also, I didn't know they made cards like this, but Sebastian grabbed a card from Hallmark, and they had a little flap thing that you peeled off, and underneath there was a QR code where you can scan it and then go upload videos and photos, which I thought was really cool. What a like nice way to send someone a more personalized holiday card.
I love the snow, but the cold is just too cold.
The cold is too cold.
Hey everyone.
Hey everyone.
Didn't know.
Oh, look at what we have here. If you didn't see yesterday's vlog, I'm so freaking excited.
Can I do the haul?
You may do it. I'm so confused. Why is this all in plastic and everything?
They wrapped it, yeah, they wrapped it for us.
Well, that's nice of them.
Yeah, so that it looks more like this.
It's like how it's supposed to come.
So this is the inside rack, or I don't know what you call that.
Yeah, so this is like you can put your turkey on here, your chicken, or she said you can use it without the rack, obviously. If you want to do like your mirepoix underneath. It fits up to a 25-pound turkey.
This is that.
I'm very happy about it. It's super heavy. Okay, you want to grab our advent calendars?
Yeah, let's get some chocolate.
We're going to do them in what, 3 days or?
Yeah, so one second, what's today?
21st?
Yeah.
When's the last time we did it? Like 19th?
Maybe. Okay, let's look for
19th?
Let's look for 19 first. Whoa, we got it.
You gotta be kidding me.
Wow. It's empty.
It must have fallen out of yours.
I
But you know what?
On cam, you could see.
I just realized.
Oh, I found it. It fell down.
I just realized why you're so good.
Why?
this many years later and I just realized. Because do you know what I do? I try to make my advent calendar look smooth afterwards and all nice. And yours looks destroyed, so you can easily see which holes are not destroyed. Tell me right now, is that what you do?
No.
Story of my life.
No.
Story of my life. Well, but it's pretty clear if it's open, you're not gonna go for that.
Yeah, that's a great tip actually. That will probably accelerate my
I need to show the difference between our calendars. Can't really tell, but his is like totally
mine looks
ripped.
normal.
It looks like you just bought it.
Yeah, but why?
Because I like it to look nice. No.
20th. What?
Wait till I finish my chocolate.
Let's turn them around. That's what I always do. Yeah, turn around.
That's probably also why your chocolate fell out.
20. What?
1 second. Okay.
Found it. What? And now I'm turning it around to be fair. I can feel the tension. 21. Found it. What? It's actually funny that I can find those numbers so quickly.
Is there a reason that they're all over the place, that they don't do them in order? Like,
No.
is that a thing?
We're done now.
No. All right, I'm gonna go edit my other video.
Ah, it's so cold.
I know. Update time, it's a couple hours later. We are at the grocery store. Aww, little Christmas trees, and they're flocked. Flocked conifer. Oh my gosh, I think I had a tree like this before. They're very spiky and hard to decorate. Sebastian and I realized we have not had any cheese platters yet this year. We need to get green beans. I like the packaged green beans. Oh, we should probably get some more green onions. Oh, we already have cranberries. Oh, the rosemary always looks so good here. We should get this stuff. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or not, but I'm going to get it just in case. Wow, these ones are big. They have some big turkeys here, and they're fresh.
This one?
Yes. Woohoo! We got the turkey. Are you so excited?
This is the best one.
I know, but we've never tried this one. Should we try it?
Yeah.
It looks very yellow. Oh, we also need some cream cheese. Butter, or should we get that in the US? Maybe we'll get it in the US.
Yep.
Let's see, we got our turkey. We need mini marshmallows, chicken stock, vegetable stock. We got the stuffing cubes, we got the cheesecloth. We're gonna get butter, Monterey Jack cheese. Monterey Jack cheese.
Okay.
It's that way.
Oh.
Back from the grocery store. I took a nap earlier, so we ended up leaving the house at like 7:30 to go get groceries, and it's now 9:30. So we're gonna be having a late dinner. I was really tired today, I don't know why. Fortunately, we have almost all the ingredients we need for Christmas dinner. And it's only the 21st. We're usually the people buying Christmas dinner groceries on like the 23rd, 24th.
I think it's because for me, because I did my gift shopping so much earlier.
Yes, I'm mostly done my gift shopping too. I want to buy a couple more small things, but all my big stuff is done. Should we do a little taste test of the eggnog? We haven't tried this one before. This is the Happy Planet Creamery Eggnog Organic Grass Fed. It seems so yellow.
Small glasses for taste test.
It smells good. It smells like the one that I like from, what brand is that again? Lucerne?
Yeah, it was really just a...
Taste.
Yeah.
You can have more. I love how you give me the absolute tiny glass.
I love how you gave me the tiniest.
I love how you
portion.
thought I was gonna pour according to the glass size.
Well, it tastes good. A little bit more
very
eggy.
good.
A little bit more eggy than the other ones I'm used to.
It tastes eggy?
Yeah, maybe we should try a little bit more.
I don't think
See.
it tastes eggy. Do you?
Yeah, a little bit more eggy than other ones.
Well, eggy is not a very good descriptor.
No?
No.
What else would you say?
Well, like eggy sounds like sulfur.
Well, there's a lot of egg in there, isn't there?
I don't taste it, but I don't want it now that you told me it tastes eggy.
Maybe it's the wrong word. It just tastes like...
Richer?
it tastes more rich.
Like eggy is like sulfur.
Oh, I'm sorry. At least I got you an eggnog.
Why are you always cut off? We're gonna make some dinner now. I had initially planned to make something else for dinner, but it would take way longer. So instead, we're gonna try to make something I've been wanting to make, and I mentioned this already in another vlog. We're gonna make the pasta we had at one of the cafes we would go to often when we were in Paris.
Oh, nice.
So it was a linguine, it was so good. It was a truffle linguine, like cream sauce. It had burrata on top with toasted truffle hazelnuts. So maybe what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like chop them in the food processor, toast them in a pan with a little bit of maybe truffle oil, or maybe like finish them with truffle oil. Do I have truffle oil? Oh, I have this one. Please, 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 please. Wait, do I like this one? Please, 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 it'll be good. It still smells good. I don't have a lot left, and there's actual truffle in here. It could be better. It's a little bit flavorless. The dish was topped with shaved truffle, but I felt like they were truffle that has been in water because they had a different consistency than normal fresh truffles. They were a little bit more like wet. So I'm gonna top the pasta with this black truffle carpaccio, which I bought when I was at the Gourmet Warehouse yesterday. So this is what it looks like. So it's just shaved pieces of truffle. This was like $27 maybe. So it wasn't cheap, but it was definitely less expensive than real truffles. And the convenience factor definitely is there considering it's already jarred. You can have this at any time, and it's hard to get real truffles because we've bought them before. You have to use them almost immediately. They don't last very long.
It's so good though.
We usually have them, we did it for your birthday once, for my birthday. Summer truffles are a lot less expensive than winter truffles. So whenever we buy them in the winter, they're very expensive. And then in the summertime, they're a lot more affordable, like $20 for a truffle. We're going to boil some water, make some linguine. I'm gonna make this, I think, kind of the way that I make this Thomas Keller pasta. Kind of slowly cook it in pasta water. You keep adding the pasta water. So you boil it for a couple minutes, and then you basically cook the linguine with the pasta water. It makes it really creamy and just like luxurious because the starch gets released from the pasta. And I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna add the truffle oil and some heavy cream just to make it creamier. And just kind of labor of love. It might take a little longer. You might want to have a little snack.
A dinner?
So let's get started.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is a most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antlers, onwards ever go.
I was gonna say chin chin, but since this is what we had when we were in Paris, I thought it would be more appropriate to say santé. All right, so I hope it tastes good. The truffle oil didn't have a lot of flavor left, so it might not be very truffly, but we'll see.
It looks really good.
It smells truffly. Does it taste truffly? Does it taste truffly?
Yeah, so truffly. Oh, tastes so good.
You like it?
But it tastes so good. Right?
It tastes exactly how I remember it. I really didn't think I would be able to get it the first time, but it tastes exactly how I remember it. I would like to get a better truffle oil. Looks very similar to how it did when we had it, don't you think? I'll insert a picture of what we got and compared to what it looks like.
It's very creamy.
Shockingly, not that much cream. It's mostly in the cooking technique because you keep adding pasta water as you add pasta water to the mostly uncooked pasta. So you like only cook the pasta for about 3 minutes and then you finish cooking in the sauce so that it gets really creamy and you don't use that much cream. And then you finish it with the truffle oil. We're sitting on the floor, I should have said. We're sitting on the floor because we have to clean off our dining room table. It's a mess right now. And our sofa is new and we don't want to get anything on it. And we both know Sebastian would. Just like he just spilled on the floor. Also, here's another thing. When I recreate a recipe, especially if I've never made it before, it usually takes me like a couple hours to film. This took me under an hour to make and film. Which means it probably would take like 15 minutes or like 20 minutes to make in real life. Wow. So it's super quick.
You had a lot of recipes as Vlogmas that tasted amazing and were really quick to make.
I have to do quick recipes during Vlogmas, otherwise I wouldn't be able to do Vlogmas.
No,
filming and making recipes always takes so long.
But they tasted so good, so.
Thank you. Let me know if you want me to share the recipe in the description bar. Otherwise, I'll probably just not fill out the description box because that's where I've been trying to like shave time this
Maybe Vlogmas. We're not gonna share the recipe. Secret.
Well, it's not even my recipe. I stole it from a restaurant.
Just kidding.
Okay, so update, it is a couple hours later. I just spent the last couple hours responding to comments. I wanted to get back to those today. I had a whole bunch of things I wanted to do today, but there's never enough time in a day to get them all done. I'm going to start wrapping now. I just realized the items I wanted to show you how I was gonna wrap with these new hacks that I found on Instagram are actually still in the US, so I won't be able to show you those until I pick them up tomorrow. I'm hoping that they're gonna be ready tomorrow. I'm waiting for one more thing to be delivered. I'm just gonna do some general wrapping. I have an enormous gift over here that I have to wrap. Okay, it doesn't look that big on camera, but I promise it's really big for scale. So that's the plan. I'm gonna start wrapping now. I think I only have like 2 gifts I can actually wrap here.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down.
Coming on to end the vlog. It's super late now. I'm gonna read a little bit and then go to bed. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. We're just trying to get everything sorted for Christmas, so if it feels a little bit less content-y, it's because we're just trying to get ahead on everything. So we've done almost all of our grocery shopping for Christmas, which is amazing. We only have a couple more things left to get. And then the main thing is really getting the gifts wrapped, but for that to happen, I actually have to pick up the gifts, which are not even in the same country as us right now. So I have to do that tomorrow. I'm really hoping the last thing that I'm waiting for is going to arrive. Are you waiting for anything after tomorrow?
I don't think so. Not really. Maybe like one thing or so. I've kind of like lost track of like where things are.
Well, that's great. I love to hear that. What I would really like is to have a really relaxing Christmas and Christmas Eve and no stress. That would be the best thing ever.
I think we can do it. What else do you have to do? You said you're gonna have to edit a lot, right? So edit?
Yeah, I have to edit, I have to wrap. I also have to work tomorrow.
Wow.
This is a really long outro. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. Let me know what you all have been up to. Are your Christmases, are they like on track? Or are you feeling like you have a lot of last minute stuff to do? How's it going for you all? And yeah, thank you all so much for watching and we will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.